Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new list in ClickUp. A list is where you organize your tasks. Lists can exist inside a folder or directly inside a space. So in order to create a list, first of all, launch open the ClickUp app on your device and log in. Now from the home page of ClickUp, go to the bottom center of the screen and tap on the plus button. From the menu that appears on the screen, click on List. Now, enter a name for your list in the text box. After typing down the name for your list, go ahead and get to the list setting and tap the plus button. Choose a location to start customizing your list. Select a location where you want your list to appear, and then you can go ahead and customize the list settings. You can customize your list color, status, assignees from the menu that appears on the screen. Tap on Share With and select your members that you'd like to share the list with and click on Done at the top right. Now, go to Status and then select your default status for the list. Now go to Color tab and select a color for your list for easy identification. Once you are done, click on Create at the top right corner and you'll then be able to create a list. You've successfully created a new list. Now it will be displayed under My List tab inside your workspace. You can now start adding tasks to your list and organizing your work efficiently. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.